Are you ready to take the control of your tasks and boost your productivity? ClickUp is the game-changing tool that can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, you'll streamline collaboration and stay organized effortlessly. Unlock your potential today and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into ClickUp.com. This is the home page as you can see. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and documents sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. It's designed for users of all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficiently. So let's get started right now. We have just to click over sign up here. So is it for free or not? Let's discover it firstly if it is for free. We'll just click over pricing here and we'll find the package. So here we have it. It's absolutely for free. And here we have key features. So you can just get started with just clicking sign up and it's absolutely for free. Well, key features we have here: 100 megabytes storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat, command boards, and we have sprint management, calendar view, custom file manager basic, and application video recording. Then we have support here and more form as well. And also we have other package, and here we have for best for small teams. You have to pay $7 per month and you can just click over get started. Then we have here business best for mid-sized teams, and here we have key features and you can just get started. Then we have enterprise best for mini large teams, and you click over contact sales and you get how much you have to pay with contacting sales. So you have just to read the key features and you choose the one you think it's more better or more comfortable for you and related to your business. Alright, so I will just show you how you can get started for free. I will just click over sign up and you will find this page. You have just to add your or enter your work email and you click over next. Then you'll find other page, which is this one. We have here two options to sign up. The first one, which is using Google account, alright, or you can just add your full name and your work email, and you have just to add your password, and we have here a condition minimum with 8 characters, and you click over apply with ClickUp. Alright, once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. About this page, you have just to answer for the questions. The first question we have here: what would you like to use ClickUp? For example, if it's work, personal, or school. I will select, for example, work. Then we have here how large is your company. I will select, for example, the first one. Then we have here how many people will you be working with. I will select just me. We have here what would you like to manage. I will select here HR and recruiting. Then we have here how did you hear about us. Select, for example, of Facebook and Instagram. We have also other things. You can just write what if when where you hear about this platform. Then you click over next, and here we have to use any of this to do, and I will just select, for example, here we have Excel, and I will click over next, and I will find here which features are you interested in trying. So for example, I will select whiteboards and I will click over next, and we have here the last things, what would you like to, and we have to write the name of your company of organization. I will select, for example, this one, and I will click over finish. Alright, then you will find the dashboard after clicking over finish. So after creating an account on ClickUp, the first step is to set up your workspace by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, create projects by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. Then add tasks within those lists, assigning due dates, priorities, and labels for better tracking. Utilize views like Ben, Gantt, and also calendar to visualize your work. Finally, you have just to explore automation options and integrations with other applications to enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow. So I will just show you how you can use the dashboard. In the left we have here home, inbox, as you can see. Then we have also here documents, and here we have, if you want to add documents, as you can see, you can just write entitled. You can here start writing, and also you can use here the option of writing with AI. And also we have here, if you want to add new table, column, we have page. Then we have here AI tools, for example, improve writing, generate template, write an email, summarize, table with data, blog post, and pick department, and you click over share. All right. Also we have various options here on the right and in the top as well. Then we have here in the document recent favorites created by me, and we have here for create first. And here we have project notes, for example. You can just right click over here and you get started with this one, right? Then we have here dashboard as well. In the dashboard, you can just here get started with a dashboard template or create a custom dashboard to fit your exact needs. For example, select simple dashboard, team reporting, team time tracking, project management, client portal as well. Then we have here clips, for example. You can just click over here, and if you want here, for example, recording, start recording, and we have new microphone and full screen, and you have just to click over here to start recording. Then we have here timesheets, as you can see. Also we have here in the dashboard, or the clips, sorry, we have here welcome to place if we want to record with snap, and also we have a log as a productivity. And then we have the timesheets, as you can see. We have time entries and timesheets. Then we have here more as well. You can just select documents, dashboard, whiteboards, clips, goals, and timesheets if you want. Then we have here, if we scroll down, we'll find here other favorites. For example, for space, we'll find here everything like you have on a list, board, calendar, and view. For example, about list, you'll find like that. And also we have here board. We have your tasks. You can just add tasks like that and write the task name and a date and a priority. Then we have calendar as well. You can just select the calendar, and also we have here the option of view for analyze calendar, board, documents, and we have table as well. Alright. Then we have also here for a team space. You have just to click over here and you select if one team space or list, documents, form, whiteboard, or folder, or we can just here select from template and import as well. Then we have here projects as well. We have to get the most out of your overview, add record and resize cards to customize this page, and you get started. Just to click over get started like that, and you have just to select the features, and also we have the other options here in add cards. Then we have here product here, and also we have here for a create space. So a space represents teams, departments, or groups, each with its own lists, workflows, and settings. You can just add icon and name and description, then you click over continue. You can also make it private if you want. So this is how it works with this platform. You can just get started as soon as possible, and this is for the video, guys. Hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.